look what I got. So I got this little cutie in the mail Friday. I ordered this off of Facebook. This is a bag that I've been seeing on, I want to say like YouTube. I saw a couple of videos on it and I thought it was a cute little combination. Now they do have one that's just only in just this or whatever, but I figured this right here will go better with outfits because it has like the dark, you know, blue on there. So I had been looking around and I couldn't find the bag because they don't sell the bag anymore in the stores. So I got on Facebook, because I'm in a coach group in Facebook, well, on Facebook, and they had this one right here. So I saw one young lady, she had it, and I just kept going back and forth. I was like, I ain't gonna get it. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. So by the time I made my mind up, it was gone, of course. So then I saw somebody else had one, and I went ahead and got it. And so I got it Friday in the mail, and here she is. And as y'all can see, I'm in a different spot in my home because I normally record in my office, but and I normally do it at nighttime, but right now it's daylight outside and it's kind of hard to really see in there in the daylight or whatever because it'd be too bright in there. So I'm in my den on the floor. So anyway, just want to tell y'all that. So here it is. There's that. There's that. And I'm not matching, so don't mind that. So here's that, the back part. And then the side right here, this is suede. It looks funky right there, but there's nothing wrong with it. And I am going to buy some suede spray to protect that, so I'm going to get that taken care of. And then here's the handle. The handle is snakeskin. So that's super duper cute. Now I did hear some people complain about the snakeskin part peeling, which you can tell that it eventually probably will start peeling or whatever, but I'm not really tripping off of that because I'm not going to be holding it like this. I'm just going to be holding it, you know, with a strap. So here's the inside, and then here's the strap. I put that stuffing paper in there because it was looking too flat, but here's the little strap. And just so y'all know, I had recorded this video last night and something happened with my camera and child, that video was gone and I was ticked off about it, so that's why I'm doing it again. But anyway, here's the inside of it, and it's just like all the rest of them. So there's that. Super duper cute. And this bag retails for $3.95. So here's the tag, and it's called Washed Cambray. So there it is. And I got it for $200. So I didn't think that was bad because it's in really good condition and still had the dust bag. And then here are the cords and all that stuff with it. And this also comes in another, I think this is called Color Block or something like that, I think. I'm not sure. But this also comes in like a beige, like a chalk color in beige. I think this is chalk, and then that part right there will be beige or whatever. And then it has the snake skin handle also. And that one was really cute, but it was too light for me. So I went with the blue. Y'all, she is so cute. Then there's the pocket right there. So yep, I'm gonna like I said, I'm gonna get the spray so I can protect my suede, and that'll be it. Here's the little tag. Cute bag. So I'm excited about it. And I think I'm probably done with the Coach Cassie's for now. But like I said, I am still gonna get the black one again. So whenever I found a good deal on it, I am gonna get the bigger black one because I have the 19 in black, but I want to get the bigger black one. So just want to show y'all that. And then here's put the tag on here. Not the tag, the strap. So there's the little strap. Y'all, this is a cute combination. Super duper cute. So I just wanted to show y'all another one of my little goodies. And this makes Cassie number 1, 2, 3. I think this number 4 of the regular size, and then that one small. So this will be number 5. Yeah. So anyway, I just want to show you guys my little bag, and I will talk to you guys later. If y'all have any questions, just to let me know, and I will get back with you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.